What is up, guys? TechRax here. I got a silver iPhone 7 here. This is actually the first silver model I've ever experimented on, so that's pretty cool, guys. Everybody, round of applause. I'm just kidding. Anyways, guys, in this experiment, this is, by the way, 10 out of 10 condition. Great looking phone. I've got something like this. I don't know if you've heard of it, guys. It's called Thinking Putty. This is just one container. Typically, this is something that it's super cool. It's like a stress reliever. It bounces. You can stretch it, but you can also rip it like that. And it's just cool. It's moldable. You could do a lot of things with this single piece. So I've managed to put 40 together in one big blob. And you guys can see this is absolutely amazing. It changes colors everywhere you look at. What we're going to be doing is I'm going to make a big ball out of this. I'm going to place the iPhone inside of that ball. And I'm going to put some liquid nitrogen on top of it. Then I'm going to put it in the freezer overnight so it crystallizes, and we're going to melt it down in the morning to see if the phone can still survive and what even happens to the putty as well. But both interesting things to find out right now. And again, guys, this stuff is just so interesting to handle because it changes. It just feels so good. It's like a big, oh my goodness, it's like a big size of candy. So anyways, guys, let's make this into a ball. Okay, guys, so it is pretty hard to actually mold this down to a perfect circle just because it's so huge and it keeps moving every time you stop, you know. So let's go ahead and just open it up anyways, straight in half, see what we have inside. Cuts actually pretty smoothly, so that's good. And check it out, just like that, the two equal halves. And what we're gonna do is the phone is going to go like this. So now I'm going to add the other piece and we're going to have to mold it back down to another circle. So this might take some time, but that doesn't look even. We're just going to go ahead and mold the edges. There's that phone. And then, of course, go back to rolling it into a perfect ball. Okay, guys, so the ball is round, iPhone is inside. I got to do this quick so it doesn't deform. So let's go ahead and start pouring it. Ooh, something is popping in there. Okay, guys, we're going to put it in the freezer overnight. We're going to see how it looks like tomorrow morning. I still can't see the iPhone anywhere in here, but it's super cool to the touch. And see you guys tomorrow morning. So here it is, guys, finally out of the freezer. It's around noon, and as you guys can see, this thing was impossible to keep and retain in its original shape. You know, it kind of helped with ice, but even now, it's covered in these little pieces here. Still retaining its same shape. This stuff is just so hard to work with, but I gotta find that iPhone. It's in there, and I need to know if it's still working. Yes, it's almost out. Yes. Finally in my hands. It was so hard to get it out initially, but when I did, none of it is sticking to the iPhone, which is so interesting. It's ice cold. I will go ahead and plug it in right now just to see if this phone still has what it takes to start up. And even the port is frozen because I can't get it all the way in, so let me try switch it around here. Good sign, good sign. We got that screen, the white screen of glory. Hopefully what we see next is another good sign. And this phone is ice solid. I can't budge any of the buttons. That includes the power button, the home button. They're all just one piece. But hopefully we can see another sign. Come on. Yes, a vibration. Jackpot, guys, look at that. Beautiful, 4%. Yes, functionality is still there. this iPhone 7 took it like a champ. Liquid nitrogen in the freezer in this fun putty. So thanks for watching, guys. As always, stay tuned for more videos. And I got to figure out what to do with this giant blob. Peace out.